Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Today you'll see what actually happens when you apply toothpaste to your skin. Did you know toothpaste can give you brighter, clearer skin at the fraction of the cost of most in-store treatments? Toothpaste can also help you get rid of those ugly split ends and prevent damaged hair breakage. Toothpaste also helps to get rid of stubborn acne, dark spots, and fine lines when mixed with some special ingredients. Today's remedies will leave you speechless, so let's get started making these wonderful and highly effective beauty hacks, and be sure to hit that subscribe button. For our first remedy, we'll be treating dark spots and stubborn dark patches on the skin. You'll also use this mixture to get rid of darkness around the lips. You'll need a tablespoon of tomato paste. Tomato contains some rich antioxidants that help to repair the skin. Next, you'll add a teaspoon of baking soda. Baking soda has the ability to tighten sagging areas, making the skin look more youthful. After that, add about a half of a teaspoon of white toothpaste. Note, you'll only be using white toothpaste on the skin since other toothpaste contain harmful chemicals that are harsh on the skin. Apply this mixture directly to your dark spots or dark black patches on the face or around the lips and let it dry for about 15 to 25 minutes. After that, wash away using lukewarm water. You can use this remedy 2 times in a week. For our next remedy, we're going to give you brighter and clearer looking skin. This is very effective at lightening your body parts as well. Add 2 tablespoons of Fuller's Earth in a bowl. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of orange juice. Lastly, you'll add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix these ingredients well and make a thick paste. Apply this paste on your skin with a brush and leave it on for 7 to 8 minutes, no more than that. Wash the mixture away using cold water. You'll see results instantly, and we suggest using this remedy once per month. Our next beauty hack is to get rid of acne and pimples using toothpaste. You might have seen this hack on the internet, but this one is for real, tested, and works 100% of the time. In fact, it gives you results overnight. All you have to do is mix aloe vera gel and toothpaste. Make a thick paste and apply it to your acne or pimples with the help of a cotton bud. Don't try to apply using your fingers, as this may actually spread germs. Many people don't know this, but popping your pimples can actually move bacteria around the skin and can worsen acne. Once you apply this paste to your acne, leave it on overnight. Next morning, wash your face with lukewarm water. You can use this remedy daily before falling asleep until all of the acne and breakouts on your face are gone. For our next beauty hack, we'll be getting rid of split ends, dry, damaged, and sticky hair. Add 1 mashed banana paste into a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mix them thoroughly. Apply this remedy to your split ends and entire hair if it's that damaged. Leave it on for 25 minutes. After that, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. You can use this remedy once a month. After the first use, you'll notice a significant difference in the appearance of your split ends. Consuming bananas as well as applying them topically both have beauty benefits and health benefits. It contains vitamins A, B, E, zinc, amino acids, and more. You can use bananas for your skin and hair to promote natural beauty. For our next beauty hack, we're going to whiten your teeth in just 5 days. It works 100% of the time. I know this because my brother tried it. Mix baking soda, orange juice, and toothpaste, and brush your teeth using the mixture for 2 to 3 minutes. After the first use, you'll notice that it has removed a lot of stains. Day to day, you'll notice that yellowness is going away and your teeth are becoming white and less stained. In 5 days, you'll be able to get that white, sparkling smile that you've been hoping for without spending hundreds of dollars. Dentists will say it's dangerous because it's affecting their business, but it's actually quite effective and safe. For our next remedy, we're going to lighten your dark, uneven looking lips. Yes, now you can get pink lips with just 2 ingredients you probably already have in your own bathroom or kitchen. Mix honey and toothpaste. This combination applied onto the lips will make them pink and soft. Brush your lips to allow for gentle exfoliation before applying the mixture. This will get your blood circulation going and will give you better results. Be sure not to overuse this remedy. You can apply this mixture once every 1 to 2 months. I hope you found these tips and tricks to be useful. Be sure to let us know in the comments below if you decide to try any of these simple remedies for yourself, and be sure to give this video a like. Share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, My Simple Remedies. Thanks so much for watching!